Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes? Okay. So, babies, today's date is 2nd February 2021. Second month has started, and that is February. After January we have February, and today's day is Tuesday, and the topic is birds. Okay. So we have done animals. Okay, animals have and their babies, animals and their sounds, animals and their homes. This we have done. Now we are doing birds. Okay, can you tell me how birds are different from animals? Okay, tell me. If tiger can fly? No. Monkey? If it can fly? No. But birds have wings to fly. Okay, birds can fly because they have wings. Alright, so we are doing birds today. So here you can see some different kind of birds. Okay, so this is dove. Dove is like a pigeon only. Pigeons, it is of a smaller size. Okay, pigeon is little big. Dove are little smaller. Okay. Swan, its neck is like this. Okay. Swan. Hen. Hen say cuckoo. This is duck, and duck says quack quack. This is a crow. And what is this? Peacock. Yes, it looks very beautiful, very colorful, and it dances in the rain. Okay, and this is a parrot. And can you see parrots' beaks are red in color. Okay, and the body is green, but you can see different kind of parrots also. They are colorful also. You will see. Okay, so these are birds. Okay, now look at the board. Read which bird's name I am writing here. Okay, so the first bird is hen. Hen. Then we have duck. Duck. So can you see? There are two k, c and k. And before c and k we have a short vowel. A. Okay. Duck. Swan. Swa and wa becomes swa. It's a blend. Okay. Swa and swan. Then crow. K and r becomes kr. O. Crow. Okay. Then we have robin. Robin. Then we have dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. And then we have parrot. Parrot. And then we have peacock. P-E-A-P. Cock. Because short vowel is there, so we'll put two k. C-K. Peacock. Okay. So let's revise them one more time with me. Hen. 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 Duck. S and W becomes swa and swan. Crow. C-R. O-W. Crow. Robin. Dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. And one more word of this family is love. Okay. Parrot. P-A-R-R-P-R-O-T, parrot. Peacock. P-E-A-P, cock. K-O-K, cock, peacock. So these are birds, and this work you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Okay, and if you want, you can paste the pictures also here. Okay, now from your book Colors and Shape, we are going to do one activity today. This is your Colors and Shape book. We will open page number 71. Page number 71. And let's read what is the activity. Pasting shape cube. Make a cube by pasting 6 squares cut out of a chart paper and paste it. Okay, so we have to take 4 square shape sheets. Okay, like this. 6 square shape. So this is a square shape. Now what you have to do, babies, from all the 4 sides you have to fold it like this. This way you have to fold. Okay, from all the 4 sides you have to do this. This way I'll show you. This way you have to fold your square sheet. Now what you have to do, you have to ask your mama. She will help you with the scissor. You have to cut its corner. All the 4 corners you have to cut like this. First you open it and then you will get this mark here. So you have to cut this part, okay? From all the 4 sides you have to cut this way. Okay? This way you will cut all the 4 sides. Okay, now you require this kind of 6 square sheets, and all the 6 sheets you will cut like this. First you fold it and then cut it like this from all the 4 sides. Okay, now I have got this. I have already done it for you. Now what you have to do, separate them first. You will be needing Fevicol. Okay, now with the help of Fevicol, babies, we have to assemble all these 6 sheets together so that we could get the shape of cube. Now you have to apply Fevicol to its corners like this. From all the 4 sides you will apply this Fevicol this way. Now you have to assemble it. Okay, fold it this way. Okay, one side we have done. Now from the other side also you have to do the same, as like this. Okay, and now you have to keep pasting it from all the 4 sides this way. Okay, then you will get this kind of shape. Right now it is open from the top, so we have to add one more sheet. Okay, 5 sheet I have already assembled. Babies, we have to use some Fevicol here also, all the sides. Put little bit of Fevicol. Okay, after this, now stick them properly, nicely you have to stick them. Okay, this way. Now after doing this, we have to add one more sheet here. Okay, use Fevicol and stick it here, this way. So after sticking, you will get your cube shape like this. Okay, assemble it nicely with the Fevicol. Okay, so you will get this cube. Okay, this is a cube shape. Alright, but babies, you cannot stick it here in your book, because if you stick it here, you cannot fold it. Okay, so you can keep it outside. So this is a cube shape. Okay, if you want to see, write down your name and date. If you want to see it again, you can open the next page. Okay, activity snapshot. So you can find out the steps here. Okay, this way. So this is the way you will get your cube. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day.